Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME V60 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find wallpapers and style. Then let's choose wallpapers. And here we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. After tapping on more wallpapers, you can find those which are online. Of course, you'll have to log in into your REALME account. Alright, so let me choose something from those options, maybe just one. Simply tap on the wallpaper to check it on the full screen, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply to and decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.